The Amityville House, located in Amityville, New York. This house was the site of a tragic mass murder in 1974. The Lutz family moved in a year later and claimed to experience paranormal activity, which inspired the book and movie The Amityville Horror. The Tower of London. While not a traditional house, the Tower of London in England is known for its ghostly inhabitants, including the spirits of Anne Boleyn, Lady Jane Grey, and other historical figures who met a grisly end within its walls. The Myrtles Plantation, located in Louisiana, USA. This plantation is rumored to be haunted by the ghost of a former slave named Chloe, as well as other spirits from its dark past. Borley Rectory, known as the most haunted house in England, Borley Rectory in Essex has a long history of reported hauntings and paranormal activity. The building was demolished in the 1940s, but the stories of its ghosts live on. Chateau de Brissac. This French castle is said to be haunted by the Green Lady, the spirit of a woman who was murdered in the castle in the 15th century. Monte Cristo Homestead. Located in New South Wales, Australia, this homestead is known for its dark history and numerous reported hauntings, including the ghost of a young child who fell down the stairs. Ancient Ram Inn. Situated in Gloucestershire, England, this inn is believed to be one of the most haunted buildings in the country, with reports of ghostly figures, strange noises, and unsettling phenomena. These are just a few examples of famous haunted houses around the world. Each location has its own unique history and tales of supernatural occurrences that continue to intrigue and frighten visitors.